Hello everyone, I'm Kushal and I'm here today to explain to you guys about my 8 weeks STEAM challenge. What I made for my 8 weeks STEAM challenge is that I made different kinds of charts to represent a group of data. Let's get started. The first one I made is a stacked bar chart. Now I'm going to explain its code. Here I said import pandas as PD, a variable which is df equals pd which is pandas dot read csv class data dot csv df dot index plus equals 1 df. Here instead of doing df I can say print df, but when I do print df the thing that's gonna printing out right here, the data will not be as neat and organized as it is right now. Now let's go to the next part. The next part is from Boca.plotting import figure show, from Boca.io import output notebook, from Boca.model import column data source, output notebook parentheses. Here I'm going to say grades equals df variable, which is the variable which reads, and it's going to go into grade section and apply string to list, and males df male to list. It's not going to apply string. Female, same thing as males, but just in female, and then you print grade column, print grades, print that for just the space in here, and then print male column. This is the male column. Print males, print female column, print females, and then it creates a data which is a dictionary. Data grades equals grades, males equals males, females equals females. Print data source column data source, data equals data. And then here's all the data, males, grades, males, females. Yeah, here it says categories for males and females, and you can change here as any colors as you want. And here stacked visual equals figure parentheses title male was female enrollment by school by grade, x range equals grades, y range equals 0 to 40, x axis label grade, y axis label total enrollment, plot height you can change that, plot width you can change that, show stack visual. Right now it's like this because we didn't plot the data right now. And here's a stacked visual V-bar stack. Categories, X grades, width 0.7, colors equals colors. We define it right there. And source equals source, legend label equals categories. And here's stacked visual X grid underscore line color none. Stacked visual dot legend orientation is horizontal. Stacked visual legend location is top left over here. It tells you what females and males colors are and shows the stacked visual. Here I can interact with it, I can move it around, I can zoom in, I can go to a particular part, and this one downloads it, and this one resets it, and this one if you need to learn more VLOOKUP plots. And now let's now go on to the next one that I have, which is a grouped bar chart. Group bar chart you import factor the range from Boca.models, and then from Boca.transform you import factor cramp, and then you print grades column, grades, then males and females, and the same thing as before. You're gonna do categories as M and F over here. X equals grade category. For grade in grades, for category in categories, Y equals sum brackets zip data males data females parentheses print X data print X print parentheses for space print Y data print Y. That's what it does. Then the categories male and female, colors, data detect, x equals x, y equals y, print data, source, column, data source, data, data, and then the same thing. You need to write the different info, and then you gotta change the colors, and then just say show, and then it shows you. And you can also interact with this one too. You can like change how down it goes and everything. That's for the group bar chart, and then you're gonna see the stacked bar chart. We're gonna create group df group.by schools, and then for group and groups df groups, and then print elementary schools, and print high, print middle, and that. And then it's over here. I couldn't do df over here because I have a lot of them. And then here's school names: elementary, middle, high, males, females for school and school names, and for school, school names, males, males, females, females. And then the data, your different data, categories, colors, and the title, and it's blank again. Now it shows you the colors. The last one that I made is a pie chart. Import matplotlib as pieplot, as plt, labels elementary, middle, and high, sizes. I'm going to give them the numbers as total. I have to add them up. 147, 75, and 113. Colors, I give them the colors. Patches, text, plot, PLTs, pie, and colors, shadow true, star angle 90, PLT legend, patches, labels, block best, plot axis equal, plot tight layout, plot show. And I showed it here. It says highs this much about the whole number of students. Highest how high school students are this much, middle school students are this much, and elementary school students are that much. And that's it for my 8th week STEAM project. And thank you for listening.